Ready to live the ultimate relaxation experience in your future spa? Here are 10 tips to help you plan your purchase. First, establish your budget by taking into account your needs, how you intend to use the spa, and your purchasing criteria. Number of people. This will have an impact on the size and space required to be comfortable. Feel free to sit in the many spa models in store to try out the different positions and to evaluate the comfort. Plan a safe installation with a certified electrician to connect your spa. The electrician will also make sure that there's enough space in the electrical panel. A 115-volt spa will require a dedicated outlet, while a 230-volt spa will need to be connected to an outside circuit breaker. When delivering and installing your new spa, space and location will be key factors. A high platform, a patio, a roof. You will need to consider the possibility of using a crane. In addition, you'll need to ensure that the structure can support the weight of the spa once it's filled with water. Dreaming of a little piece of paradise in your backyard? The different technologies and options offered on several models promise you moments to remember, like waterfalls and LED lighting, Bluetooth audio system, and Wi-Fi management system. Our experts will help you establish a simple maintenance routine that meets your needs.